So OnePlus is gearing up to launch the OnePlus 7 on May 14th, and following previous reports, we now have some very good information about the upcoming series. Speaking exclusively with The Verge, OnePlus CEO Pete Law has confirmed some rumors and hinted at what we should expect from the next device. First things first, the OnePlus 7 Pro is indeed gonna be a part of this series, and it looks like the company wants to boast about the new display inside this very premium OnePlus phone. We're already aware of this report, and today it's completely official. According to Law, OnePlus is spending 3 times as much on its display this year than on previous models, expecting this new panel to redefine fast and smooth and set a new benchmark for mobile displays. He says, and I quote, "The first time I saw it myself, I was stunned. To make it clear, the device is more likely to use Samsung's high-end 2K resolution Super AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate similar to the iPad Pro. For those who don't know, higher refresh rate is equal to smoother experience, and that's what OnePlus really wants this time. It's gonna be even better with the curved panel, and this combination of hardware and software will allow OnePlus to sit very close to the Galaxy S10, P30 Pro and iPhone XS. Also, according to Max, the OnePlus 7 Pro and 7 Pro 5G will have 6.7-inch display, a 16-megapixel selfie camera, and most importantly, they will run on Snapdragon 855 chipset with different configuration, obviously depending upon your requirement and budget. The best part of this story is the UFS 3.0 storage, which is crazy fast. It's the best option in the market right now. You do get a bigger 4000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, and of course there's an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. The phone will be available in 3 different colors like blue, grey and brown. Now this new official teaser also confirms the presence of a triple camera setup at the back of the pricier model. But for the OnePlus 7, you have a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus panel, a dual camera setup that accommodates 48-megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture and 5-megapixel depth sensor. You also have Snapdragon 855 chipset, 3700 mAh battery with 20-watt fast charging support, and there are some very good chances for the new bullets. Lastly, the pricing of the OnePlus 7 Pro has been leaked, and it comes from Ishan Agarwal, who has some very reliable info about unreleased OnePlus phones, and this time he says that the OnePlus 7 Pro will retail for €749 for the version with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The 12GB version on the other hand will be priced at €819. The €10 difference is because of the different markets and the pricing variability between them. But in either way, the 749 to 819 figure is what OnePlus is targeting for its Pro model. The base model is not a part of this leak, but according to me, it should be priced at €699. You shouldn't convert these figures, as that's obviously not a right way to find out the pricing in your region. If guesses still work, then I assume that the pricing in United States should look like this. That's it. For daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.